Good morning, good evening. Check this out. Couldn't figure out who this guy was. Anybody know who he is? Please throw his name in the comment box. This guy legit is popping a, he's not just popping a 3-wheel, he is driving on 2. So I tried to fly my drone over this show here. This is over at the Horsepower Rodeo at the SEMA show in Las Vegas, Nevada. They got pretty mad at me for trying to fly my drone. Said that you couldn't fly drones anywhere in Las Vegas. The entire strip was banned for drones. I said, what a drag. But they just wouldn't let me do it. So I went on in and head inside to check out the rest of the SEMA show. But you know what, guys? They didn't say nothing about flying a drone inside. Check it out, guys. Gonna fly right on through here. Check out the members lounge. This is the West Hall. So if you've never been to SEMA before, maybe you don't even know what SEMA is. Well, let me explain. SEMA is the Special Equipment Marketing Association, and it is one of the largest trade shows for the automotive industry in the world. There's absolutely everything you can think of in the automotive industry here. There's also the Apex show, which is held at another location, but anything from your diagnostics, auto body repair, glass repair, wraps, anything you can think of automotive, and it's here. It's where a lot of companies unveil new products. You also have events like Battle of the Builder. So there's so many other aspects of the SEMA show other than just these beautiful cars. So many tools, new products, just going to help you through your industry. If you're in the automotive industry, I would strongly urge you to come and check out SEMA. If you can ever afford to come, Vegas is kind of pricey. They're really hitting it to you on the strip. Hotel costs are up, parking cost is up, food cost is through the roof, guys. Be prepared. Food cost is through the roof in Vegas. If you're ever coming to Vegas, get ready. You might want to bring a bagged lunch. And that's real talk, guys. Just save yourself some money. Bring a bagged lunch. You'll thank me later. But anyway, guys, you don't want to hear me talking. I'm going to let the drone keep on flying through the hall here. Again, this is the West Hall SEMA Show 2025. See you guys in a bit. Whoa, you guys see that? Unidentified object. So let's go in for a closer look. That is legit a UFO. Alright guys, check out this wrap. I'm getting close to the end here. I think security's kind of looking at me funny. Chasing my drone. Ooh, check this out. This is a Ferrari 330 P4, guys. Winner of Le Mans in the 60s. Alright, guys. It's that time to go. This is the West Hall SEMA Show 2025. Like I always say, guys, see you in the streets.